Hi, I'm Brian Long, Plant Manager at Genesis Plastics Welding. At Genesis, we serve 4 primary markets: medical, military, sport, and other industries. So the culture is driven, and it seems to be coming from the customer into the organization. As the customer speaks, customer service brings it to the organization, distributes it out into the operation. As Genesis is growing and thriving, it consumes capacity of people, and at this stage in our game, we're looking for more. And in any traditional manufacturing environment, we have needs in production on the entry floor level. We have team lead positions in machining and assembly and warehousing, quality needs, quality technicians, and could even go into the office from customer service to purchasing, engineering, and sales. The benefits that Genesis offers are quite good. Immediate healthcare, paid vacations and holidays, very friendly atmosphere, and a place to really be able to contribute. If you're looking for a vibrant culture and a place to work and bring your passion and work around just a fabulous group of people, please visit us at genesisplasticswelding.com and see our employment page.